ઈશ્વર દાદાને મળી છું, બટ ખાલી કદાચ મેં એમને જોયા હશે. મારી એમની સાથે વાતચીત નથી થઈ. બહુ જ બ્રીફલી મળી છું, અને એ પણ લગભગ 2.5-1 વર્ષ પહેલાં. તો હું એમને જેટલું ઓળખું છું એ સ્ટોરીઝ અને કોઈની વાતચીતના માધ્યમથી જ ઓળખું છું, અને જે રીતે હું એમને કનેક્ટ કરું આ જગ્યાથી, કે હું સુઘડમાં ઘણો વખત સમય મેં કાઢ્યો, તો એનાથી હું થોડી વસ્તુઓ મને ખબર પડે છે. જે મને સૌથી વધારે ઇન્સ્પાયરિંગ લાગતું હતું આ જગ્યાનું એ છે કે જે કામ છે એનું, મારું પ્રોફેશન હતું, એટલે આઈ ગોટ ટ્રેન્ડ ઇન સોશિયલ વર્ક. એટલે અને મને લાઈક કમ્યુનિટી વર્ક વોઝ સમથિંગ જે બધા જ વોલેન્ટિયર્સને આમ કરવાની બહુ મજા પડે. એન્ડ સેમ લાઈક આઈ વોઝ નોટ ડિફરન્ટ. સો મને પણ આમ બહુ મજા પડે કે ઓકે, યુ જસ્ટ કનેક્ટ વિથ હાર્ટ, અને એકદમ આમ મસ્તીથી, એટલે યુ ગો એન્ડ યુ ઓફર યોર સેલ્ફ, દેટ્સ ઇટ. સો આઈ ડીડ દેટ ફોર અ વાઇલ, અને પછી આઈ વોઝ લાઈક, બટ આઈ વોઝ નોટ હેવ ધ સ્કિલ્સ. એટલે હું બર્ન્સ વોર્ડમાં પ્લેસ્ડ હોઉં, અને બર્ન્સ વોર્ડની અંદર આઈ હેવ અ લેડી હુ ઇઝ ઓલમોસ્ટ લાઈક અ ચારકોલ, like 90% burnt, and I have nothing to do, and I'm like, I feel so helpless. What would I do over here? And I'm like, yeah, I have my heart over here, I want to do something, but I don't have the skills. એટલે મને થાય કે only a good heart, કે સારો ભાવ હોય, is not enough. Like there has to be some hardcore skills which goes with this. And I concluded that social workers are fools, including myself. Like I thought, તો યાર એકદમ આમ તમે દિલથી ભાવુક થઈને જાઓ તો કશું મેળ ના પડે. So I went on another trip where I'm saying, okay, I'm going to use my brain, and I'm going to, serve by, like, really trying to figure out and solve some problems. So I was on that trip for a while, and then no bhav, okay. And actually I shut myself. So that happened, કે okay, હવે આમ નહીં ચાલે, આ તો મેળ નહીં પડે. અને so અને when I came here, I see there is so much innovation. કે જેમ કે દાદા હતા, અને જે મને સૌથી વધારે આમ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ લાગે, એટલે હું જે મ્યુઝિયમ છે, I spend a lot of hours over there. I take a lot of literature from જયેશભાઈ, જે ડેવલપ થયું છે. And then I think, okay, so this guy is a technology guy. એટલે હું આમ ટેકનોલોજી છે એ રીતે વિચારું કે આમને તો ટેકનોલોજી પર કામ કર્યું છે. So I think, okay, he's like the second category person which I have in my mind. And then I see that, okay, but then I start listening to the stories. કે મને એક સ્ટોરી એવી કીધી હતી કે બહેનો ગામની અંદર કે એ લોકોને બહાર જવાનું હોય ટોયલેટ માટે, તો અંધારું થાય પછી જાય, અને વિચ વોઝ વેરી સેડ. એટલે he wanted to work on that problem. એટલે કે we build toilets, but beno will not even use the toilets. કે toilets are also, they will not use. And કે why? Because that used to be a conversation time for them, and these were like closed toilets. So okay, he will, so beno ત્યાં જાય, and they're like, what is this, like this is like strange, and like, yeah, I don't go here. So he would think, okay, what do I do now? I want them to use this, but they are not going there. And then so he's like, he actually sits down and sees, okay, this is the height of the toilet, and then so here he'll have a bari, so people can talk across, like beno can talk across in the toilets, right? So I say, okay, that's innovation, right? So it's like you even, and then this whole definition which I had, that it's either like a person with bhav or a person with head, right? That is not the thing. It is like, there are people who are like so huge, like in their understanding, in their mental categories, in their like I don't know what are the dimensions, but then they have so many dimensions to it that they look at things very differently. And I was like, amazing, yeah. And so, and even the kind of work that he did was, so it's, I don't know what to say. Is it skill? Because my whole understanding of knowledge and skills, spirituality, it's like, it's multiple things. Even the kind of things that I hear, he must have started this work જ્યારે કેટલા નાના હશે, and there's no exit strategy. કે એક વખત લીધું તો there is this thing perceived like I have a job and like in 2 years I'm like okay, I'm done with education, now I will go in health, and now okay, now I feel this, now I'm doing something else, right? But that thing that he has been doing every day. And one more thing which came to my mind was that it's not only about the work on sanitation. Anar Didi shared one incident today, and which is something where I need to learn a lot. She said that એમનું ઘરે બધા વાતચીત કરી લે અને ત્યાર પછી everyone is leaving, like in the evenings they have like a family meeting અને પતી ગઈ અને પછી કીધું બધા પોતપોતાની રૂમ્સમાં જાય, and Ishwar Dada will be the last one to go and he'll put everything in order and then go. So over there also like and Didi said that we would not do, even till date we did not do, and now we do that because we remember him and we do that. So that means people didn't follow. He wanted to do something at home, but at home also people might have not followed, but that doesn't affect him, he is doing it. And to share recently, like I tried this experiment, I didn't know about this, but I tried something like this. I hear so much gratitude and kindness, so I said okay, I'll do this at home. So for 2 weeks I was like okay, I'm going to serve my sister and my father, right? And I was like okay, there's some change that will happen when they'll also join in, and they did, and like I flared up. So I had a clear exit strategy. Okay, it's only 2 weeks program, after that it's not going to work out. Whereas here I see okay, no exit, like you keep doing the same thing till the end of your life. And one more thing which has touched me a lot is when my mother was not well. Uh, and so I don't know how, but my father thought that okay, this is going to be the last day. And he would call everyone, and we had like some 50-60 relatives at our place. So I was like, why would you do that? And like we had a fight about it, that why would you, like she was in pain, she had cancer, and I don't know if she was hardly talking, but I felt that she would be in pain, and why would we have so many people? And so, and I could just not, I thought it's outrightly wrong to do something like this. And I hear about Ishwar Dada's story, and where he's saying no, don't say no to anyone, like let people come, and and he will talk, he'll get engaged, like and he wants to even serve at that time. No, like it's not about like I'm exclusive or I need that privacy or anything. Even then he's a community person, he's saying no, my life is there, out there. And that's when like it blows me off every time when all these small incidences I hear about him. And I really have to thank Nipun to, when he asked me to talk today, I had a major resistance that I can't talk. And I said so then Jayesh Bhai is like, they all gave me some sales pitch. No. Jayesh, ask for, ask and you will get, just sit and absorb some vibrations and all. And I'm like, okay, please, don't give me all this yarn. And I had all these things in my mind. But actually in the afternoon, so I didn't come for the evening program, but I was in Sugar. And I was just sitting there and I'm saying, okay, now you have to tell me, what do I tell about you? Right? I was actually sitting with this thought, and I know it sounds very crazy, but I did that. And even today, when I was here, I was like, okay, I'm going to say what I really feel. And I really felt that, okay, I felt so much peaceful and I felt connected, and I don't feel abnormal at all, like sharing. So